Check out this creamy roasted red pepper pasta sauce and how it transforms plain pasta into a restaurant-worthy dish. To make the roasted red pepper sauce, we're gonna roast our peppers first. I've lined a sheet pan with parchment paper and I'm placing my bell peppers that I've sliced in half and de-seeded facing up. I'm also placing some shallots, or you can use onions there, to be roasted at the same time. We're gonna drizzle them with olive oil and roast them in a 400-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven until the bell peppers are charred on the outside, which is about 25 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to cook pasta in another pot, making sure to reserve about half a cup of pasta water for our sauce. By the way, you're going to find the ingredient measurements for this recipe in the description box below the video. Now, when the peppers are ready, we just remove them from the oven and let them cool down to the touch so you can gently peel most of the outer skin off. The sauce comes together super fast in the blender. So we just add the red peppers and shallots or onions in the blender, then our garlic cloves, our coconut milk or cream, the pasta water, and seasonings. All you have to do is blend it until smooth. Now we combine this delicious roasted red pepper sauce with our pasta and make sure that everything is nice and warm right before serving. You can sprinkle some Parmesan cheese over the top and enjoy. If you never know when your pasta is done, check out this next video. See you guys next time.